Are you ready to transform your ideas into a thriving online marketplace? With Sharetribe, launching your product marketplace is a breeze. Every entrepreneur faces the challenge of building an engaging platform for buyers and sellers. Sharetribe eliminates that struggle by providing a no-code solution. Imagine a platform where sellers showcase their products effortlessly and buyers find everything they need in a matter of clicks. Benefit number 1, launch your marketplace in just a day, with essential features ready to go. Benefit number 2, customize your platform to meet unique needs without any coding skills. Benefit number 3, achieve secure payment processing globally with Stripe's trusted support. What sets Sharetribe apart? It's an all-in-one solution that allows you to build, grow, and manage your marketplace effectively, no matter the size. Don't wait! Start your 14-day free trial today and build your dream marketplace with ease. Join countless successful founders who trust Sharetribe.